Yo, what's up everybody? Today I'm showing off my Pyramid Premier King room at Luxor Hotel. Coming in, you got a nice king bed, some pretty cool wallpaper. Right across, we got our TV, some nice drawers, not much in here. Ice bucket, water cups. We got a nice desk area, two nightstands on either side of the bed. I don't see any alarm clock or USB ports. We got our wardrobe here. Pretty nice, not bad. Ironing board, and plenty of storage. Now your AC unit is over here. The thermostat is over here. And let's check out this view. You know, I'm actually pretty stoked with this Excalibur view. You can see the east and the west towers at Luxor. And yeah, that's pretty cool. We got a nice seating area here for you to chill out. I feel like the AC is working pretty good. Feel nice and cool in here. Nice desk. And get some work done, have a nice view of Excalibur. And we got some beautiful artwork on the wall here. Full body mirror, very essential. And now we'll check out the bathroom. So pretty basic, nothing too crazy, but you got your hair dryer, shampoo, lotion, soap, got some towels, and just a shower. But it's not bad. I think it's a nice shower. It looks pretty updated, pretty clean. Nice shower head. Yeah, so I think this is a nice room. I think for one of the cheaper rooms in Vegas, this might be maybe even one of the absolute cheapest rooms you can find. I think that this is a good value. I think that for being in the exact same hotel, the tower rooms over here in these buildings are a way better deal, and usually they're about the exact same price. So if you're staying at Luxor, I would definitely try to stay in a tower room. You just get so much more for pretty much the same amount of money. But if you do end up staying in one of these pyramid rooms, they're not bad. I mean, this is pretty nice. I don't see much to complain about, especially for the price. You know, I don't see like HDMI ports or anything. There's no mini fridge. But you know, I don't think you can complain. Luxor is an awesome hotel. So I think you guys should definitely check this room out.